In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 per month in 2019 using Clickbank. All right. Before I get into the content, guys, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about how to make passive income online, how to create the life that you want to create while doing what you want to do for however long you want to do it, not chained to a desk or a traditional 9-to-5 job. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well as hit the notification bell because you do not want to miss out because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you what you want. All right. So you want to make $1,000 a month in 2019 and longer, right? Well, I'm going to show you a high level way to do that using Clickbank. Well, sorry, can't see my Clickbank and Instagram. All right. Now this is not a get rich quick scheme. If this takes consistent action, and if you take consistent action daily, you will eventually get to $1,000 per month, maybe even $1,000 per week if you continue to craft the skill as well as implement and take action on what you are learning. Okay. But income disclaimer, nothing is guaranteed because I don't know your work ethic. I don't know how much heart you have or what your why is to keep going, but it is possible. Okay. So I'm going to show you high level on just how to do that. So first, we want to go to Clickbank because Clickbank is where we can use, well, I'm sorry, Clickbank, we can use JVZoo, we can use Amazon affiliates, whatever affiliate marketing marketplace that you can get signed up on today, where you can have a lot of products you can choose from to promote to a particular audience. Okay. So find a need in the market. After you found that need, find a product on Clickbank, on JVZoo, on Amazon affiliates, or wherever that will meet the need of that audience. And then all you need to do is put that product in front of that particular audience. Okay. Well, today what we're going to use is Instagram. We're going to use Instagram to find a particular audience. After we find that particular audience, we're going to come back here to Clickbank, a reliable, trustworthy marketplace full of products that you can promote and make a commission when you make a sale. Okay. And then I'm going to show you how to easily get traffic to your link on Instagram with creating consistent content. All right. So on Instagram, let's say you're interested in a particular niche. Let's say you're just interested in fitness. Now, a lot of you might think, oh, fitness is saturated. There's a lot of competition out there in the fitness space. Well, yeah, but don't come with that mindset. Come with the mindset that you are your only competition, okay? And as long as you are doing what you love and what you're passionate about and what you can do consistently, there is an audience for you specifically, okay? Just put your own twist to things. You don't have to model word for word about the work someone else has done. Just take their strategic steps and implement them with your own twist to it. Okay. So let's say you're interested in fitness, health, nutrition, intermittent fasting. You can even go down, you can even go down to more detail than fitness on like intermittent fasting or keto or, Atkins or vegetarian or vegan or being a single mom on being a vegetarian and a single mom. Or you can go deep into a particular space. You don't have to go very broad, but go deep. Don't worry about the audience. Just be who you are. Okay. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to do just high level general fitness. So what we're going to do is find an audience on Instagram. So when you come on Instagram in the search bar or explore bar, what have you, you type in your keyword or your key niche, and it's fitness for us. Okay. And so then we see here that we have 339,392,216 posts on Instagram that deal with fitness or have the hashtag fitness in them. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to study the kind of posts that are being put out there for this particular audience and seeing what posts get a lot of engagement. Okay. So here, this is us doing our research. We're researching what is already working out there in our particular audience. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, let's look and see which ones are getting a lot of engagement. right? Of course, you want to do way more detailed work than this, but you can see this image here is getting a lot of engagement, but it doesn't particularly scream fitness. So this guy may be some well-known influencer that's getting a lot of engagement. Let's try to pick, I mean, these always work, you know, the beautiful ladies always work, but maybe that's not your forte. So we're going to keep going. Here you have videos. He doesn't have any engagement. Maybe he's using the wrong hashtags. Yeah, he's not using it. Like, he has 6 likes there. Not a lot of good hashtags there, but you know, keep looking. You keep looking, you see some of the motivational quotes. Boom, boom. So nothing so far is standing out. But this is the name of the game, guys. You have to continue researching, looking for what's working in your particular space right now, and then just modeling after that, okay? Let's see what we have. These aren't really getting a lot of engagement. Okay, we're gonna keep scrolling. How about we type in a different, instead of typing fitness, we'll type in fitness workouts. I mean, there's less posts there, but there could still be a more engaging audience. Look at that. There it is. So you see this post here. Of course, I mean, it's revealing post, but this one here is a good one too. It's a video. It has 32,000 views and 23 comments on this video. So this is a lot of engagement. It's like it's in a foreign market, but that's okay. We don't discriminate when we come to our audience. But ideally, you know, the US is the dominating market, but that doesn't mean you can't get other markets. Okay, so here's another one. Front splits. This one's good. So you can see that the trend here is, of course, results as well as effective workouts on how to do things properly and how to get the results you want. Love handles obliques. So very specific content being posted here in the fitness workout space. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to post pictures just like this, and you can reuse this content. You can do that and give credit to the person who originally posted that, and then use hashtags. Use hashtags similar to the ones that they're using in their post. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to create an Instagram. I'm not going to do it right here, but what you're going to do is create an Instagram and repost viral content around fitness workouts. Okay, post consistently and post as much as possible. The more content you post, the more exposure you're getting to your content, and the more content you get, the more followers you get. All right. So how does this tie with Clickbank? How are we going to make the money? Right. So now that we have some, you know, modeled some content that we can model after, let's go on Clickbank and find a product around fitness workouts, or let me log into one of my accounts here, my demo accounts, just to show you what's going on. So we're going to go here and go marketplace. All right. After we go to the marketplace, you see here on the far left, you have a whole host, a bunch of categories. We're going to choose our category or topic is health and fitness. After we choose health and fitness, here we have a host of products. Okay. What I generally like to do is sort by gravity. Gravity means how often has this offer or product sold for a given month. So usually the higher the gravity, the better the higher converting the product. But that's not always the case. You know, just make sure you choose a legitimate product, a product that really meets the need of your audience, that's not scamming someone, and that has high integrity. Okay. So look at the sales page. The first link will be the sales page. The second link will be the affiliate page. Okay. But since I don't want this video to be too long, Flat Belly Fix looks like a program so that you can get a flat belly. Okay. So it probably has some workouts in it. Okay. So what we want to do is we're going to say, all right, this product looks good. Let's go ahead and promote this product on Instagram for free. All right. So we're going to click promote. We're going to generate a hop link. And then this is our link we're going to promote. So with this link, we're going to copy it. And when we come back to Instagram, after we create our own Instagram account and post consistent content in our content, and the ad or copy, what we're going to say is, we're going to say, look like they have here. Hey guys, if you want to get a lot of fitness workouts and tips, check out the link in my bio. Okay. And if I'm taking to this is what the bio looks like. You're going to have just a couple of key phrases, very quick and to the point, but in it, you're going to have your link, and this link will be this Clickbank offer and product, right? So once you post consistent content and people follow you and engage with that content, they're going to say, ooh, this looks like a great post. Let me see what they're talking about, because you're going to reference the link in your bio. They'll click the link in the bio and come straight to the sales page. They will purchase, and when they purchase, you'll make a sale. And right here, the average sale for this particular product is $38.25. Okay. And so if we pull up the calculator here,